The sounds of the sea. Boosted by an underwater speaker. These marine biologists are playing the sounds of a healthy coral reef to a reef that is dying in the hopes that it will be encouraged to regenerate.
This is our little microcontroller board. And this is the amplifier for the speaker, and so all of that goes out. So this is a recording from a healthy coral reef. The crackling in the background that you hear is mostly snapping shrimp. And every once in a while, if you hear some pops or grunts or gurgles at the lower frequencies, those are all fish calls.
Recent studies showed that coral larvae was more likely to settle near a reef making healthy noises. Scientists are hoping the idea takes off, as reefs around the world are struggling to survive in increasingly warmer waters.